Good morning, folks. Good morning. Welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. I'm Michael. All right. So, if you go back and look at the video that I posted with these, you can see where they are coming from to where they are now. We're gonna harvest them today, right? And cook some breakfast. Somebody, I don't remember the subscriber, the name of the subscriber. A subscriber request that I do, some harvesting from the garden and cook and so forth. So I'm gonna do that this morning. Well, let me show you around the garden. Why it rained yesterday. Trust me, look at the pepper tree. As I said before, this is an old pepper tree now and it's bearing like crazy. Let me see if we can show them tantan. Look at them. See peppers, man. And the color look coming up nicely. So you can see the water, the morning dew. And the pop chai. So we're gonna cut them. Let me show you how we harvest. So I'm gonna remove these two and leave these for another time. So we're gonna cook these two this morning. And we're gonna cook it with some saltfish and fried dumpling. Yeah. So you wanna go and show them the tantan? And you wanna cut. Right like that. Right, and see them? Pretty.
Tally.
Yeah, man. Same procedure for this one. Alright, so see these now whenever I have no space, they can go up. You know what I'm saying? So next time we cut, we'll cut 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So this is enough for 4 of us with some salted fish. In Jamaica we say saltfish. Alright. So you see the harvest there. Take a picture, no Chin. Take a picture, make your pose for you now. You like that one? You want another one?
What the hell did I do?
Some of the inside now. I'm gonna go wash off my pop chai and prep them. So I have my seasoning over here, so already. We have some onion, garlic, we can't left out the garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato. We have some scallion. So we're gonna prep this, right? Alright people, so I'm gonna boil the saltfish because you have to boil it to get off the salt and so forth, And then part you have to take out. You understand me? And clean it up properly. So what I'm gonna do now is just to flake this up. Flake it up. See all this part? Sometimes I take it off if I can take it off because it's hard to digest, this thick skin. So if you can take this off, man, just take it off. Trust me. Much as possible. So this video is in collaboration with RootsGirl Chin. So go over our channel and go watch how she make the dumplings. Because we're gonna eat this with fried dumpling. So it's saltfish and pak choy, fried dumpling. It's Sunday morning breakfast. So go over our channel and check it out to see how she make the dumpling. Alright? I'll let this saute. Get the flavors in, you understand? Check it out. Once you do that, you add the salt. And everything flavored bursts out in the saltfish and cook them together, don't it? Mix this up now. Pure goodness. smell good, don't it, Johnny and Jaden? The next thing now is to add the vegetable. We are going to cook down a little bit.
It's so good already.
Yeah, you can just eat this with the fried dumpling, you know.
Yep.
Straight, you know, if you don't have the vegetable, you can just cook up the sausage just like that. And eat it with the fried dumpling. Nice. As is.
It's one of my best to eat with the fried dumpling.
Vegetable. Time to add the vegetable to the pot now. Tell me if I can cook. Comment it in the comment section. Just based on what you see so far. You can cook, boy, you can cook. Alright, so you see Scotch bonnet recipe on it. Get your pot cover. Make sure you turn it down. A low flame cook here, people, and a high flame. Burn your pot when you cook on a high flame. Alright, so we're going to add a little powder season to that. And then we turn it up and we're done. Within 5 to 10 minutes.
That's it.
Alright, people, so see there? So it'll go down now in the sink. It'll cook. This is the time when you stir it. Stir it. In Jamaica we say stir. Can't eat so. We have to know one side.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Let's see the pepper. I see the amount of liquid coming from the vegetable. So you're having more than enough liquid to eat up your dumpling, you understand? Yeah, man. Should have fought me having a people, but I'm get a fart. Stop using a spoon thing. So this is where now you're gonna taste it. Make sure so it's of the desired taste. Take out the pepper here. The pepper here
It's not hot enough?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want it too hot this morning. It, right? And a little Maggi all-purpose. So a little bit, huh? Let's stir it up once me have a big fat, you know. This is 100% healthy, people. I mean, pure goodness. I'm gonna taste this now, people, and we'll come back and talk. Alright? Yeah, man. People, we're going to do some fried plantain, right? Plantain with the breakfast as well. And the fried dumpling from Roots. See them over here, so. Alright? So we'll do some fried plantain. And let me show you, as I'm a joke business, you know. Let me show you what is happening. See that? So this is ready. And the tea, the kettle, a whistle over there, so to make the tea. So Ajani is going to prepare the fried plantain, because everybody has to do something. So this is Ajani's role to prepare the fried plantain. Cut off the top, Johnny, and show them what to do. No, put it somewhere. Pump up somewhere. Yes. No? A little bit up. Right. Put it there, sir. Right. Mark it as me tell you. Don't go too deep. Right. Don't go too deep. Peel it off now. Put on the knife, man. Put down the skin, peel it off in one and put down the skin. Right, and then put it back on the skin, right? So cut it in two again. Two equal there, that way. Equal parts. Right. Right, and then slice them up now. When you're slicing it, put it down like that. And you slice it down. Don't cut your finger, man. You cut your finger if you do that. Cut it on the next side. That Johnny, cut it on the next side. Put the knife over there. Cut it over. Hold it on this side. And cut it on that side. You understand? Right. Cut it away from you. Always cut away from you. Alright. So show the people them now. So this is it. People, we're gonna fry this. Alright. So you cut on next one. Look. Right. And you cut it slowly. Right, excellent. So you get it nice. So when you do it like that. This is it, you know. Breakfast serve. See it? Everybody have them plate. 4 plates. Jaden, Johnny, Roots Girl, and myself. So we're gonna devour it, you know, man. Up on my plate. 4 dumpling. Cup of tea over there, so hot beverage, chocolate. Alright, so moment of truth, I'm gonna try it.
How it tastes?
First thing I taste is the pepper. Nice.
Tastes really good.
Alright, JJ. Come. This is yours, baby. You can see it.
Let me just put this.
But taste it and let daddy know. Just the vegetable.
Okay.
You like it? Alright. Jaden. See Johnny Barney. One of them tea. Let's over some more. Alright. Sunday breakfast. People, bless upon yourself, you know. And as I said, it just goes to show you that farming is good. Because I have planting, not from my backyard, but you know, could have been because we have planting and we have the vegetables, only the flour we buy and the butter. You understand? The Jaden and Johnny, they get to it. How it is, Johnny? Taste it and let me know. Chin. How it tastes?
I said it is really good. I love it.
So people, I hope you enjoy this video. Whenever time you see it. Alright? Bless up yourself from wherever you're living and wherever you are watching this from. Alright? Have a blessed Sunday. Peace.